Well, it's been another day today. I didn't shoot any, record any video footage of the things that I did today. Let's see if I can recount what I did do. Well, I just got done picking up rocks and sticks from the area in the first food forest where I deposited all the soil from over there in the western garden plot the other day, and then used the soil conditioner to smooth things out. So then I went out today and picked up the sticks, the rocks, and clunks of root masses that were large enough that would potentially jam Choppers 2. And Choppers 2 is out right now, finishing up the almond forest, part of the first food forest. So he's over there working there. Today I changed the, I deleted the channels. Channels are the paths between the docking station or between various zones, mowing zones. And because I saw that there was unnecessary travel in places, so I deleted the channels that I thought weren't useful and then added new channels to make it more efficient. So Choppers 1 is doing the front up by the road right now. He'll probably still be working on that first thing in the morning, but then I'll have him start doing some of the other zones that he's ready for. What else did I do? So I picked rocks, picked sticks, dumped all of those, and then, oh, one of the things I did do was I took the stone guide or guard for the soil conditioner that I bent up a few days ago. I got my torches in today, so I went ahead and worked on this guy here today. And so it's not perfect, but this was all warped here. This was curled over and all. So I heated it up and used the mini sledge, and there's just a little bit of a bend there I saw afterwards. So I'll probably adjust that before I put her back on the soil conditioner. So that took a while. Yeah, so I replaced the torches, or the torch end anyways. So that got settled. Oh, the other thing I did do was I assembled the other Meet One Tour 2.0 electric trike. So this is the one I just assembled. That's the one we've had. That's Thea's one there. And so now we got both of them, so we can go riding together now. Kind of excited about that. I did talk to the company about sending us the other seats for it. Water holders, water bottle holder, and the phone holders. We got one for Thea's phone, but it's too small for this one won't fit my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy Ultra 23, I think is what it is, and just with the case it won't fit in it. So hopefully the other one will. I did get my helmet in, so I'm happy about that. This went together, and I was able to figure out how to adjust there was clicking sound from the derailleur here, and there's a barrel adjustment on it, so I went ahead right on the back of this back here. So I adjusted that. That worked great, so no more clicking. And what else did I do? Oh, the battery for the off-road diesel tank was getting pretty low. It was around 7 amps there, so I went ahead and brought the battery power station out to charge that, because that's out in the shipping container. So I brought that out there and took care of that. Then all of the honey that I had in buckets over here, I went ahead and put on a pallet, brought them out back where I have the rest of the stuff, and there's just a plethora of bees out there harvesting what's there. And I took that material and spread it all out so the bees could get to all the residual honey there. And it'll probably take 2 or 3 days for them to clean up all that stuff. I'll turn it all over again just to make sure we've gotten the bulk of it all out of there and all. Then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and harvest all of the beeswax out of that comb as well. None of that comb am I going to reuse once the small beetle hive beetles have been in there. And I checked on the bees today. They look pretty good, the rest of the hives. I didn't open them up. We've got the observation windows and lots of activity there, so I'll probably check them like every couple of days for the next month or so just to make sure everything's going pretty well. And I think that's it. Thea and I are both a bit under the weather. She's having some Thea's having some adverse effects of the steroid injection, but her pain is under control. I'd say the sciatica is under control, so she's not feeling that right now. I'm pretty achy, but I think that shares everything that we got done today. I got on Buzz, and the small mounds of soil. It's not everything's perfect after I used the soil conditioner out in the first food forest. So I got on Buzz. I went over that area some to knock down any little ridges of soil there. We just need some good rain so it's no longer, everything's powdery right now. It's just powder. So, and that's another reason not to shoot video out here right now. Everything's it's like a dust bowl here. Fortunately, where all the growth is and the soil still has some moisture in it, even though we're really going through a heck of a drought here. Really disappointing. The ponds were all down. And, well, just another challenge with that. And so I used Buzz, and I also took the Vernig brush mower for the excavator. I put that out back on the deck over trailer for now. Hopefully Adam will get back to me soon. I sent him an email last week. I'll probably end up calling him in the next couple of days and say what the holdup is with the there's actually pins on it that the excavator will hook onto, and they sent us the wrong set of pins for my excavator for Elon. And I'm gonna have to do turning of the leaf mold compost pile and the soil pile because I've got weeds growing up in there, weed seeds on the surface of it. I'm gonna have to do that soon. There's a whole list of things that I gotta do, but I'm glad that some sections are done with using the soil conditioner so I can get the robotic mowers going again, because it all grew up. Even though we didn't get rain, the weeds take right off, even though the grasses don't really take off. So I guess that's it. That's my update for today, folks. I hope you, and of course I've been in and out of the office again today with getting paperwork off to the attorney for the New York State, potentially getting an abatement for the for the penalties. Not going to get the interest back from that, but maybe we can get forgiveness for the penalties since they already have the money. They've got twice the amount of money now. Anyways, that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you stay safe, take care. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.